Hello, everybody. My name is Rafael Solórzano, and today we are going to talk an interesting topic: the hot weather in this country. So we are going to start. The topic that we are going to talk today is we need to avoid hot weather planting a tree. As you see in the picture, we don't have any cold place in El Salvador now. For that reason, I believe that we need to plant a tree in order to avoid the weather. I mean, the hot weather. We need to make a change right now if we need to low hot weather in the country. El Salvador faces important challenges due to global warming. Although the country produces a minimal amount of greenhouse gases compared to the large industrialization nations, its geographical location and insufficient development make it highly vulnerable to effects of the climate change due to excessive tree felling, and the effect is noticeable since when you went to Santa Tecla, for example, you felt the change of cold weather. Nowadays, you go to Santa Tecla and it is like other the other places. Deforestation is a serious problem in El Salvador with only 3% of natural forest intact and more than 90% of surface water contaminated. The current forest coverage barely exceeds 37% of the national territory. Intense drought due to climate change are affecting millions of farmers in the country, so planting trees is a key strategy to mitigate the effects. Trees absorb carbon dioxide (CO2) from the atmosphere, contributing to climate change mitigation. In addition, trees produce oxygen, purify the air from fertile soil, prevent erosion, keep rivers clean, capture water for aquatic, provide shelter for wildlife, reduce soil temperatures, and improve landscape. Therefore, reforestation and tree planting are not only essential to combat global warming, but also offer multiple environmental and social benefits that can improve the quality of life in El Salvador. It is tangible action that people can take to contribute to a more sustainable and healthy future for our country. By the year 2050, we need to plant millions of trees, creating vast green woods where barren lands once lay. These trees, which will have been nurturing the soil for years, will stand tall as testament to our commitment to the earth. Reflecting on the past, there was a time when we had not understood the full impact of our actions about destroying our woods. We had been cutting down trees at an alarming rate, not realizing that each tree we lost was a blow to our planet's health. But now, as we look to the future, we see the different picture. By then, we will have been planted trees continuously for decades, each one contributing to cooler country. The forests that will have grown from our efforts will be home to diverse wildlife, which would have struggled to survive otherwise. We must remember the lesson that our past has taught us. We had not always been kind to our planet, and it has shown in extreme weather patterns and rising temperatures, but we need to learn and we need to change that situation right now, planting a tree. So let us make a pledge today. By 2050, not only will have to plant tree, we will have been caring for it diligently, ensuring the growth strong and healthy. These trees, which will serve as homes for birds, insects alike, will be the legacy for our generation. Let's Now wait until it's too late. Make the change. The time to act is now. By planting a tree today, we are securing cooler country tomorrow. And when the future generation look back, they will see that we had not only the envisioned a greener world, but had also worked tirelessly to make it reality. At last but not least, let me invite you to be part of this initiative to plant a tree and see how the climate improves in our beloved El Salvador. Thank you for your attention.